Hi, my name is Sandeep Shenoy, and I'm a sophomore at Rouse High School in Leander, Texas. I still remember the first time I sat down to create my LinkedIn profile, only to be lost when considering where to begin. How would I make my profile look good? How would I make sure that peers all the way up to employers looking at my profile would find enough information? How would I catch people's attention? This enabled me to create the app I'll be demonstrating today, which I have named AuraScan. AuraScan is very intuitive. All you need to do is put in anywhere from 1 to 4 links into the app, and it will use a combination of Model Context Protocol, also known as MCP, and OpenAI's GPT-4o to summarize and give feedback and insights into social media profiles, also allowing the user to ask for feedback and or clarify the feedback given by AI. This app is targeted towards anyone looking to enhance their online presence, whether they have existing social media profiles or are just starting to build their profiles up. To build AuraScan, HTML, CSS, vanilla JavaScript, and PHP were used to build both the front and back end of the site, allowing for interactions between, say, the buttons and the AI model used to generate feedback to be given to the user. You can see that the AI reads over all of the given profiles and provides a summary and list of improvements the user can implement to bring their online presence to the next level. When creating my app, one difficulty that I faced was the implementation of MCP. MCP is a system that AI uses to read the given user profiles, looking at the file makeup of the pages themselves. While this system really brought together the actual function of my final app, very little free examples or demos existed online. As for my solution, I went with a free trial of a software called Scrapfly to create this version of my app. In a real version of the app, I would have to use the paid version to gain more credits to allow my app to scale. If I were to make a version 2.0 of this app, I would add more features that would be useful in your day-to-day life, such as AI recommendations on how to respond to new comments you have received on your profile, with a button to automatically post them, and probably some paid features to keep the app afloat, as a lot of the behind-the-scenes work such as AI or MCP are paid for, after all. When working on this app, one of the biggest things I learned about was front-end and back-end development. From prior experiences, I coded mostly front-end sites which are static and provide little to no real function other than looks. This is quite boring, which is why I forced myself to create a full-stack application for this challenge. I feel like my biggest takeaway from this challenge overall was that it's oftentimes that even small, simple seeming solutions can help people out. While some may find this app completely useless, being confident in their ability to create social media profiles, some others may find this app very useful, which is why I built it in the first place. Thanks for watching.